Hello everyone, welcome to part 150 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. Okay, so we have reached 150th video of the Advanced Ecom series. So congrats to everyone, and we will able to finish the order invoice, PDF order invoice that we have started in the last video. We are going to make this PDF order invoice that we are going to finish in this video, and I am going to upload this up till 150 videos online for you. I'm going to so the premium members can able to download, and any member, if you are going to join as a premium member, that you will also get you will also able to download up till part 150, and you will get the exclusive support if you will find any trouble in running the project or understanding the project. Okay, so now we will continue. We are going to integrate this invoice, and we able to generate the PDF. In last video, see, we able to generate the PDF of this one, and we can open in downloads, and this is the PDF we able to generate. But we are going to make the dynamic PDF in this video, so everything we are going to make dynamic in this PDF invoice. Okay, so this is the HTML code that we have copied from the HTML template that we have downloaded from the Google. Okay, from after searching in Google. So here you can see we are going to make the things dynamic. Here the company name, we are going to open the PDF as well. So invoice 2 and this one. So company name and details is not required. We can remove this one. Unwanted things we are going to remove, but we will make sure that we will not destroy the PDF. Okay, so after every update we are going to check that whether the update is correct or not. This is unwanted code, we are going to check. We can do one more thing here. We can make it separate. I am going to copy this complete div, new, like this, and we can make its format correct. Like there is one website HTML formatter kind of thing, so that the format, we can correct the format. We can correct the format HTML, so that it will look good. We able to make the changes, select all, copy to clipboard, and now we are going to paste it. Now it looks fine. So now we can able to make changes, and we are going to remove the code that is not required. This div is not required, and this seems to be extra div, that also we can remove. And now come up to this one, invoice 2. Okay, so here the detail of the person will come up here. So we are going to give it like this, invoice 2, and here the order details. So this variable we are using, you can check here that we are using the variable at the top, and this HTML also we will put the new HTML, order details and user details. Okay, so order details is the main thing that we are going to use here. So we are going to give order details, then name, and we are going to close like this. So after name, we will give the address, city, that all we are going to give. So here we are going to give address, after that city, okay. So after city we are going to give the state as well, address, city and state. Okay, so now we can give the pin code, and here email also, if you want to give email, then we can give the email as well. And here we can give the other details, like we can give one more like this one, and then we can give the that country and state, that country and pin code as well. Here for pin code we can give it like this, and rest of the code we can move like this. Okay, so this is for invoice 2 and date of invoice. So here we are going to give the order ID, and here we are going to give the order ID. We are going to copy this one and we'll paste it here. Then date of invoice and due date is not required. Order ID is ID. We are going to give ID like this. Okay, and other details like order date, here we are going to give date of invoice. We'll give the order date like this, and here the order date will come, and order details, order date we can also copy its syntax as well. This is the syntax that we can copy for the order date. We can copy here and like this. We can copy inside this one like this. Okay, so we can give it like this. Okay, date. Here we can give order details. It seems to be fine. Okay, so after this one we can remove this one, and we are going to check out. Okay, fine. So for other things we can again give the h1 is not required, but we can give such a format like this one. Then we are going to add the information, like other information like order amount. We can give order status, we can give payment method. Okay, so here we will give like order amount. First we will give like this order amount, then we will give the order status. After that we will give the payment method. Okay, so this information we can give. We can copy paste this one and we can make changes inside this, and here we can give like in order amount we will give grand total, and order status, then payment method. So, and I'm going to copy this one. Okay, so we can copy once here whatever we have done so far. We can copy and we can paste here to check whether it is working fine up till now. Whatever we have done so far, we can refresh, and now we can download. We are able to download, so it is seems that no issue is there. And here you can see it seems to be fine enough. Okay, yeah, it seems to be fine. In order invoice to Amit Gupta, address 123A India, this one, and email ID is also coming up. Okay, order ID 13, order ID is coming, order date, order amount, order status, payment method. So everything seems to be perfect so far. So now we are going to give the order product details. Okay, so we are going to give the details as well. So we'll continue working on this separate HTML page, and here we are going to add INR. You can give your currency. I'm going to add the INR. You can give your own currency. Okay, so let's come here, and here now we need to add the for each loop in the same way like we used to do for our pages. This is the for each loop we need to give. Okay, so we can give the same way for each order details, order product, and this one. But before that, we are going to give this one: product code, product name, site, color, quantity. Okay, so this one we are going to give here, starting from hash. Hash is not required, and we are going to check once again. Okay, so in first one, that is the number, that is not an issue, but we are going to give the product code. So we can give it like this: product code. After that we will give the site. After that we are going to give the color, and then price, and then quantity. Then we are going to give the total as well. We will give the totals here. Then here now the for each loop will come. Rest of the tr we can remove, it is not required. And here our for each loop will come. This for each loop we are using the same order details array, and for each, and here we are going to replace this product code with the this one. Here you can see we are going to give this product code, but here we need to make sure that we will give it like this. Okay, so the same we are going to give for the site. Okay, here our syntax is product underscore site. So now we will give for color, we will first give all. So here in both cases we are going to give the INR, and here we are going to give okay, so first of all let's complete product site, and after product site we are going to give here product color. After that we are going to give the product price. So here you can see quantity class must come up here. Okay, but we are going to check what it will make. Okay, so after product color we are going to give here product price. Then after that we are going to give the product quantity here, product quantity. So INR will not come up, INR will come here. So product quantity, now we are going to give like product price into quantity. Okay, here we are going to give product price, and we are going to multiply this product price into quantity. We are going to give inside this one, and then we are going to give product quantity here. Okay, so like this we are going to check. And one more thing we need to give here, and that is we want to find the subtotal, and for that we are going to give it like this: subtotal. We can give like subtotal equal to 0, like this. And then inside for each loop we can give that condition we can give here. Here we are going to give the subtotal equal to dollar subtotal plus, then we are going to give this one like this. Okay, So this one we can give, and here see here this one Laravel will not work. Here we need to give it like this. Okay, so after this one we need to close like this, and this one is not required. Just we need to do one thing here. We need to start that output class. Okay, so that thing we need to start once again. So this one here we are going to start, and here we will concatenate. Okay, so we will give it like this, and here we are finishing. Here we are going to finish it like this. Okay, so here also we are going to give output like this, and here we are finishing, and we are going to give like this. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. Now it's now we are going to copy this one, and we'll check once that whether it is working fine or not. And now the further changes we will do here only. Now we can remove this one. We'll add the updated code, and let's see. And now I'm going to close the earlier PDF, and uh, let's try with the new one. We'll click on this one, and now able to download once again, and let's see. And you can see that we able to get the product details as well, and we can enlarge it. Okay, product code, size, color, price, quantity, total. So it seems to be coming here as well. Okay, so here you can see the colors, product code, quantity, total, but I don't think that is required. We can give this color for the totals only. Okay, so we will check that what class we have given for product code, quantity, and total, and now we can make changes here in this only. Product code class. Okay, so description. So okay, unit, so we can give the unit class for here this one, and now description unit, and after that quantity is there, and quantity we can give the unit for quantity as well. For okay, color, that is fine. Quantity is for product price, and we can give the quantity for this one as well. And now we can check once again, but here subtotal. Okay, so this code we will also update. So subtotal we can give here INR. We can give the subtotal like this, and after that we are going to give the shipping charges. Shipping charges right now is 0. We are going to update the shipping charges later on. We will give the shipping charge like INR 0, and we are going to give the coupon discount as well. Okay, so one more we are going to add here, and that is for the coupon discount, and coupon discount may be 0 or maybe something. So for that we will add one condition as well. Here we are going to add one condition. So here I am going to close this one once again. Like I'm going to close this coupon discount up till TD. We can close up till TD, or we can close up till coupon discount. Okay, so I'm going to close up till here, and then again I'm going to copy this one, and will paste it here like this. Okay, so here I'm going to add one condition, like if the coupon discount is greater than 0, then only we are going to show the discount, otherwise we will not show the discount. Okay, So here we will add one condition, order details and coupon amount is greater than 0. Then its output will come up. Okay, so yeah, so we are going to do this output and like this one, and here we are going to add this coupon amount. We're going to show this coupon amount here. I'm going to show it like this. Okay, so yes, here we are going to do like this, and after that now we will give the else condition here like this, and inside this one we will simply give that INR 0. We will replace it with the INR 0. If there is if the coupon amount is not greater than 0, then we will make it 0 only. Okay, so that seems to be fine now. Okay, so that seems to be fine. So grand total, simple enough. We have the grand total, and that we are going to give now, and that also we are having in order details, and here we are having the grand total variable like this. Okay, so thanks you notice charge of this one is not required. If you have anything something like this, you can surely add. Okay, so we don't have right now, but we can make it something like if you want uh, your dummy test will come up here. Test will come here, any kind of test, or if you are not required to give any test, or you can see your notice will come up here. Your notice will come here, any kind of notice in your, if you want to give any kind of notice in your invoice, then you can give here. Okay, so now we are going to generate the new PDF invoice. So let's see, refresh and generate it. See, we are able to generate. Click on this one, and now see, it seems to be better than earlier one. See here, now we can again we can make it like 75%, and you can see here all the information now seems to be fine. And here again you can change this one. We can change like unit, again here unit, so that it will change color. Okay, like this. So anything else, total is fine, this one order ID is fine, everything seems to be fine. This one 965, this one grand total is also fine, and it seems to be fine. And okay, so so it seems to be fine. Here I am going to open some more layout. Thank you. Okay, so invoice seems to be fine here, but if you want to make it in one page, you can also do it. But if the number of products are more, then of course it will come in 2 pages. But you can remove this one, then it will come in one page only. Okay, you can try once and you can make it in one page. If you are not required thank you and all this kind of things, if you not required, then maybe it will come in one page. Let's see, let's refresh once again and generate. Now I'm going to generate this one, and let's see. Now see, it comes in one page, and it seems to be fine here with 2 products. It comes in one page. Okay, this is the order invoice. Now you can see the dynamic order invoice, invoice to Amit Gupta, address and email comes, order ID 11, order date, order amount, order status, payment method. Here are the product comes, and you can see it looks fine now. total is coming in green color. Okay, grand total is coming in green color. So at last it is mentioning a invoice was created on the computer and is valid without the signature and seal. Okay, so now it seems to be perfect dynamic order invoice for our COD order, and you can able to generate this invoice at your end as well. And right now you can make the shipping charges, any shipping charge if you want, like 100 rupees you can able to add. But we are going to do the shipping module. That is the next thing we are going to do. We are going to work on the shipping module now, so that you can able to charge your customer with some kind of shipping, some kind of courier fees, some kind of okay, shipping charges. And after that we will work on PayPal and other payment methods as well. So now I'm going to upload these 150 videos online, especially for the premium members, and try to become the premium member, so that you will get the 150 videos. And that's also in Laravel 8, in new Laravel. And we are already using the advanced features, and much more we are going to use in future videos, and you will get the exclusive support as well. Okay, so do join the premium membership to get the complete code and support. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.